I'm going to be showing you how to delete Discord account in your iPhone. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is launch the Discord app on your iPhone. As you can see, it's right there, so just go ahead and tap here. So once you're here, you need to make sure that you're logged into the account you want to delete. After you're here, you just need to look at the bottom right where you can see your profile picture. Just go ahead and tap here. Once you're there, you just need to look at the top right where you can see the gear icon. So that's user settings. Just go ahead and tap here again, and you need to find the option of account. So it's right below Get Nitro. Just go ahead and tap here. Now you need to scroll down till you find account management, and right below it you have disable account and delete account. So if you want to temporarily disable your account, then choose the first one. But if you're absolutely sure that you want to delete your account, then just tap on delete account at the bottom. So it'll tell you that in order to delete or disable your account, you must first transfer ownership of all servers that you own. So just tap on OK and you're good to go. You just need to confirm it. So if you change your mind, then you can log back in during 14 days. So Discord first deactivates the account for 14 days and then only deletes it. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.